like that.
Sapi ba? Hindi
It's,
ba ganun?
it goes along, yeah. And remember, because yung jumble kanina naging possession araw ng
nga pala,
Indonesia.
oo nga pala,
So it goes
oo nga
back
pala.
to us.
Hindi nga pala gaya sa
Hindi,
sa
hindi,
PBA.
hindi sa person per quarter yan.
Ayun, yung possession araw.
Okay, now it's gonna move to the other side again. Now they go into a zone. They came out here, they want to do something else, they go to a zone.
Libre. Whoa! They're hitting everything.
Jump, patay ka kay Matthew Wright. Pag nag-zona ka dyan, ayan ang mapakita niya sa'yo. And maybe even a Posumal, no, if they have to really go to that.
And the Philippines with a 21-12 third quarter. Really a great defensive
Oh,
effort.
somebody has to help out.
Diagne sends it to the side. Here's a wide open play.
Sagot rin. Well, everybody went to the strong side there. Nobody covered. And that was good ball movement by Indonesia. You
Correct.
gotta give it them.
Correct.
You gotta give them that.
Grahita with 7 points.
They'll continue to play zone unless we hit 2 or 3 more shots like that.
Boy turns.
Oh,
That's a
yeah.
shot.
Where
That's a
would
shot.
we be without Poy? Without the big man?
9 points. Jacket Boy. 10-point lead, biggest lead of the Philippines. Sa Putera. Grahita
Good
blocked. Matthew Wright tried to tap it over to Panopio. Not able to get it in time. Diagne drives hard, squeezes.
Kaninong foul? Blocking foul ang tinawag sa atin.
Baka kay Poy. Pinipilit na ng Indonesia actually.
Actually, I have to say about the referees, magaling. First of all, he's inside that lane. Nakita mo yung paa niya. And he hasn't established any position yet.
You were about to say.
I was saying that the referees, I thought, so far, and hopefully they've been doing a pretty decent job. No? Pero tinawagan ito ng parang going to the basket and he will be given free throws.
Okay.
Although, I don't know kung gather na yun, masasabi mo, pero, you know, meron tayong kasabihan sa Philippines, wala nang pupuntahan, pero marami pa siyang pupuntahan. Kasi nakakabawi siya.
Decente mag-free throw ito.
Hindi, scorer yan, shooter yan eh. So,
Actually,
we've missed 1 free throw. Only third he has missed a free throw.
lahat ng points niya after his
Yung first 3-point play niya eh, was including a free throw.
Tapos, puro 1 point lang siya. Ha? Boom! Not bad from free throw line, 9 points.
So back to an 8-point advantage, and they're now pressing a little bit. And they probably will throw it back into a zone.
Libre. No.
Again, that's Manzano. He will give you the rebounds. Playing 4, as Aram is the 5.
Here's Ravenna. Shakes free. Finds an opening. And
It will stay with us.
Yeah. Manzano is blocked.
2.1 second na lamang sa shot clock natin, ha? Sinong papalitan dito? May papasok dito.
Ito, huli.
Uli.
Huling ni Diagne.
Let's see what kind of play as we see Matthew Wright being replaced by Bobby Ray Parks. Kailangan may maka-screen para kay Bolick eh, because he's a fast shooter. Pag naipit ni Poy Aram yung nagdidepensa, baka makatira na maganda si Bolick dito.
Si Yongga ang nakabantay kay Bolick. Ito. Back.
Ayan
Dr.
na,
J.
yan ang sinasabi ko sa iyo. Ayaw ko lang kung papasok, pero nandun yung tira.
Exactly. And just as you threw it, Dr. J, hindi lang pumasok. 8 lamang ng Gilas. 8 and 10.
Good defense.
Diagne. Blocked by Era.
Hindi pwede yun.
No. 12 seconds on the shot clock.
Naghahanap siya ng foul.
Yuda Saputera tries to drag everybody inside. That's the guard of Indonesia. Makes the inbound.
That's holding foul on Bolick. That's a good call.
Second foul.
We have to be worried that we don't get into penalty also. We're defending well, but we shouldn't be giving out fouls like that. Katulad yan, away from play yan eh. Papunta pa lang yung tao to try to get a return pass.
Chalais.
Yan, just stay in front of him.
Grahita, who has hit nothing but trees here. There's a switch over foul.
Foul na naman si Aram. Yan,
Si
kaya
Aram.
galit na galit si Norman eh. You show hard, but do not foul in the end. And now you have the third team foul already.
Ilang taon na rin yung pinagagalitan niya.
You show. Ba't mo hahabulin pa, di ba?
Ayun, nag-apologize siya kaagad. Oh.
Muntik pa nga siya nasaktan dun eh.
Oo nga, oo nga.
Eh wala na nga ako magamit eh. Ikaw lang. malaki ko.
Ano ka ba? Simpoy kasi sa ugali niya. Gusto niya makabawi agad.
Hindi, ganyan si Poy.
Gusto niya makabawi agad. Kuminsan, nasasala yung ganun eh. In the meantime, shot clock babasa 9. From the outside, Indonesia forces the shot. No, and the rebound is
Bawi.
Boyera.
Sabi niya, bawi. Yun,
Bawi.
Ako tumipensa. Ako na rin ang nag-rebound.
Ako na.
Set the screen.
Bolik. Parks. Kabang!
Biglang pumutok ito. 0 sa first quarter. 5 in the second quarter. Biglang nagtititara na dito sa third and fourth.
10 points by Parks. The lead is 9. Shalais tries to hand off to Saputera.
Yes, they show hard. Hindi yung back off. Kick ball.
Ano tawag?
May foul ba tinawag?
Tila ata. Parang
Wow.
si Bolik.
Parang lahat na nagulat ko na. Saan ang galing yun?
Norman telling Bolik.
Tingnan natin kung may
Chill.
foul. Siya natulak eh.
Siya yung binangga.
Yeah, I wonder.
Gilas is wondering also.
Saka nasa penalty na yata tayo.
Yes. Because non-shooting situation eh.
Yeah.
Kasi sunod-sunod yung foul natin kanina eh, di ba?
At saka wala nga tayong silang scoreboard na makikita natin yung team fouls na
well,
in FIBA games you see that underneath.
Which is the problem in many of the events we've covered in the SEA Games, ano?
Yeah, that's true. Matagal na tayo nagko-cover. The Philippines is actually one of the best. Pag ganyan, yung mga stats nila.
Latag yan.
And you can understand because many times in the past, puro Pilipino kinukuha ng ibang countries to do the job for them. Alam mo yan.
Our Sports 5 group was
And
also...
Hindi penalty yung parang technical
Hindi,
foul
technical.
yata.
Kasi
isa
baka
lang free
umangal.
throw.
Anyway, siguro, isang free throw ni Saputera. Ito si Saputera. Nasa labas. Sasaksak niya. Running shot. Malakas ang loob. Sumaksak. Sabi ni Parks. Tama na yan. Nasaktan si Parks.
Ngayon. That's what unsportsmanlike foul na tinawag. Parang nabigyan sa sensitive area. Hindi, remember when Bolik was umaagal pag nakakashoot siya. Sabi ko, pag hindi siya mag-ingat, bibigyan siya ng technical ng referee.
It's ugali ni Berto yan eh, di ba?
Ito, tingnan natin ito nangyari kay Bobby Ray. Ball is bouncing.
Si Shalais.
Sumundot.
Julian,
Kaso, ang nasundot niya medyo masakit.
Si Julian Shalais. Ito.
And that's gonna mean free throws.
Yeah.
Pinare-review ngayon ng
Coach ng Indonesia.
challenge ba siya?
Sabi niya, hindi naman tumira. Ayun, parang ganun na sa inyo niya. Pero nasaktan. Flagrante. Unsportsmanlike eh.
In-explain kaya ng isang referee. Pero yun, pinare-review niya.
Na-miss ko bigla yung daddy niya. He would have been so proud to watch his son in the meantime. Well, si Norman ang bahala maging daddy niya.
Inanak niya yan eh.
Nga.
Best, they were the best friends among the imports here. I know, Bobby had some, harder times and Norman was always there for him. I know that as a fact. No? Isundot naman yun, pero parang hindi naman sinasadya yun. Pero talagang natamaan mo, so it's not what your intentions are, but what happened.
Tumaas yung bola di ba? O bumaba.
Look where he hit him. Where he hit him. Alanganin ka naman reach in ng ganun.
To use a boxing term, below the belt.
Oo. -1 yun, deduction.
Oo.
Basta't maayos yung referee, deduction.
Yun naman ang nagiging problema natin sa Thailand na
Kawawa rin ang ating mga boxes. Ilan ang pumasok?
Dalawang bilang ko. Ang alam mo, noong isang araw, ginawa ni Mr. Vargas, dinala niya itong buong basketball team, manood ng mga boksingero para mag-alay ng suporta. So,
Kaya nakita mo yung mga Filipino fans. Ano ba ba gusto niyo makikita niyan?
alam mo kasi, sa replay, you will not be able to determine motive eh. Diba?
It's not.
Ito
You may
isa-
have good intentions, but it,
Ayun. Yes, it holds.
Sportsman-like foul. Take 2 plus possession.
Tsaka yung FIBA type referee, no, may tabas, ano, may look eh, no? Pare-pareho yung barbero nga yan, sabi ko na akin mga Pasko. The meantime, dalawang free throw. Parks with 10. 11.
Buti nga, napahinga dahil umangal eh. So, kung ano man yung sakit, nawala na rin yun.
Basketball player, kung minsan mabilis yung recovery eh. Lalo na kung nasa kondisyon. 2 for 2.
Good free throw shooting. Missing only one. And Filipinos yan. Meron tayong mga Muslims na mga kaibigan natin.
Oh.
Thai, I think, is also like a Buddhist country. Marami
Yeah.
rin religion yan.
Yeah. Ayun ba?
Ang Indonesian talaga Muslim.
Muslim, predominantly.
The biggest Muslim country
In the
in
world.
the world.
Yeah.
200 million people yan.
I have cousins who are missionaries there in Thailand. In the meantime, Malonza tried to...
Nice
Oh!
pass!
Oh, yes, sir! Oh, what a play!
Kombinasyon ni Terdy at saka ni Malonzo really killed them. Biggest lead of the ball game para sa Pilipinas,
Yes, sir.
14.
Ang chill maglaro ng Panopio, no? Cool lang.
Well, you know,
Bata pa, at saka playing with the big guys,
at
right?
saka maganda yan, pag lamang ka talaga yung less ang pressure mo, no matter what.
Parks.
Era is open.
Press! Hindi.
Naagaw pa
Parks.
ni Parks, foul pa siya. Ay, pero 24 second shot lang ang tinawag.
Hindi na inabot yung, hindi rin tumawag ng foul. Good effort nonetheless. It's a 14-point lead. Completely reversing the game. Philippines was down by as much as 12 in the
12
first
kagad.
quarter. Yeah.
Parang, muna mismatch yata ito.
The biggest thing they've done defensively is take out Derek Saviero from the game, who had 17 points in the first half and only 3 more here in the second half. And we have had steals. Shalais won't work. Philippine ball.
Alam mo ba't niya inalis? Yung ginawa ng Pilipinas dyan, nahilo sila eh. It's also the inexperience of this guy. This guy is good. There's no question about him. Yung number 1 na yan. Ang problema, hindi naka-adjust when they use a smaller guy on him and then a lot of help defense.
Malonzo does not force it. Panoplia says, give me a screen, give me a pick. Malonzo, top of the key, launches a 3. No.
Terdy.
Ravenna
Lumabas na.
thinking of going downstairs. This shot, last moment, yes!
Sano, 4 points. And look at all the Filipino players on the bench cheering their teammates. Yan ang teamwork na pinakikita nila. The
Gilas.
biggest lead, ha?
Bigay na bigay, buhay na buhay, ang tibay at tatag. Time out ang Indonesia. Mga kababayan ko, yan nandyan silang lahat ngayon. Nag-i-enjoy kasama nyo. At tayo, we've reversed this game, but still not out of the woods.
Well, sana yung mga kamag-anak nyo dito nakikita kayo. And knowing that you are safe and that you're happy, you know, you're enjoying the game, you're enjoying life.
Yeah.
Another timeout was called there, so down to 5 minutes na lamang tayo. Protect the lead ito, but play aggressive.
Oh, man. Hindi biro itong Indonesian team na ito.
Yeah, you don't want to get them started. And that's great defense. That's helping out without fouling, di ba?
Ganda ng switch ni Manzano eh.
Yeah, Manzano has really come in to be the second big man for us after Erap. Trotter has only used very minimal minutes, although we thank Panopio has been used a lot, and we thank Boss Joseldo for lending us these 2 players.
Yeah. Drive to the basket.
Not
No
counted
basket.
yan, 24-second shot clock na yan.
That will not work for Ragazzi Guantara, who has 9 points, all on 3-pointers.
Ito madami rin ito, sayang kasi remember meron silang Indonesia na Brandon, magaling yan eh. nag-aral rin sa States. Big guy, about 6'5", big body. Hindi sumali ngayon. And of course, marami na red flag dyan.
Well,
Tayo nga eh. Panokyo. Look away pass.
and Diagne now with 11 points. Malonzo swings left, goes right, is swatted. And here comes Indonesia with their second win. 4-on-2, 4-on-3, corner 3. No!
Good rebound. Make up for what you lost there.
Philippines dodging a bullet there.
Kung nag-5 to nothing run, delikado yun. We're giving them some fuel for a good momentum. Matagal pa ito. 4 minutes pa ito. Game's not over.
Ravenna with 7 seconds on the shot clock. 30, spinning, and scoring.
Isolation play binigay mo sa Pilipina and number 1 game ng Pilipina. Isolate, one-on-one.
Yep. 17 points.
Ay, si laro ni 30 ngayon, saka si Malonzo.
Malonzo with 13.
Good tap there, but a foul was called. And I think that's a good call. You tap from behind, medyo yung kamay ang tinamaan. Bobby Ray Parks calling the team together. Relax, boys. It's not over, That's leadership there. But you have to get out of there because na-istorbo mo yung free throw shooter. That's a foul. Kasi may hawak rin yung kanang kamay para matapikan mo.
Exactly. Agassi Goantara, who has a good hand from the outside, knocks down the free throw. He has 10. 70-55. If you're just joining us, this was not the way the ball game was going in favor of Gilas in the first half. Bantara and Diagne are the two second leading scorers for Indonesia with 11 each.
Philippines ang nag-time out.
Yes, Norman Black wants to talk to Gilas.
Filipino post guys, ha?
Their team is down by 14, but by looking at them, you never think they were down by 14, enjoying themselves in this game. If Indonesia does not make it today, they'll be in the battle for the bronze medal.
They'll go up against the loser of the game later on tonight between Thailand and Malaysia.
So, anong basa mo sa laro na yun?
Wala lamang ang Thailand. Pero, Malaysia, they're not that bad.
Pinag-uusapan yun ni Jet nung isang araw, yung mga history ng
Malaysia
team,
used to be the only competitor ng Philippines in the beginning.
for a long time.
Then the last 2 decades, it's been Thailand more often than Indonesia. Pero yung Malaysia, nawala bigla eh. But they did win 2 championships. So after the Philippines, they're the winningest Southeast Asian country.
Alonso considering. Shot clock.
Yan ang panira kay Macho.
Just offline and a chance to use some clock here.
Macho can make that kind of a shot. At the same time, it gives you opportunities for offensive board.
Malonzo.
Short. Go down.
Big drive to the basket. That could have been traveling.
It was traveling.
Big drive. That'll work for Yonga. First 2 points.
2 minutes and 50 seconds pa yan. 12 na lamang ang lamang natin. It's nice to use the clock, but you also have to be aggressive with good shot selections. Hindi pwedeng titira ka ng 35 feet out.
Gamit ng oras, pero gamit din.
Ng place. Papasok, paloob. Katulad niya, layo niya. Pero, kala ko pumasok.
12 ang lamang.
Gotta make stops, though.
Babalik si Ravenna in a short while.
Gulat nga ako, lumabas pa eh.
Nearly steal. Yagne.
Ay, blocking foul na naman yan. Take 2 na naman yan. He's a good free throw shooter. You don't want to send him to the free throw line.
2 and 12 remaining. Ravenna will be back in. Ito yung blocking on could be Parks.
You know, with Ravenna seated down, you only have 2 guys that really can get to the basket in a very strong manner. You have only Ravenna and
Parks.
Bobby Ray Parks. So, importante na sa loob siya because you want to be able to get to the free throw line if you don't make a shot.
There's Yagne. 12 points.
Is Aram back also? I would suppose that Aram would become
Ayun
back.
nandun. Ayun na. Nandiyan. Yagne with 13.
No more turnovers dito.
Lead is 10. Parks looking at Ravenna. Escapes. Bounce inside. Aram nearly lost it. Shot clock at 4. That's Bolick. No. Oh, look at that.
Good block. Hindi pa tinira ni Bolick. Pero buting, we're coming back on defense.
Tres.
No, we need a timeout.
Yaksa knocking in his first three-pointer. His first set of points in the game. The lead is down to 7.
It's a real battle right now. Matagal pa ito. And that's a foul pero wala yata sa penalty ang Indonesia.
Yonga committing that foul. You're right. It's second team foul.
Second team foul pa lamang. Dalawa pa eh. And you can see the Indonesian team, they're beginning to cheer, no? Yung kanilang an offensive foul pa, tinawag ng referee.
Kay Ravenna.
Wow. All of a sudden, we're collapsing here. You're gonna call a timeout.
Yes, Norman is about to. He was signaling the bench. The scorer's table actually. 128, 7-point lead.
Alam mo, may 3-point shot ang bagong
Indonesia.
basketball, kaya nga mabilis eh. Tsaka we got into penalty early in this quarter.
Yagne. Blocked. Ball will be kept by Indonesia.
Yeah, that's a good block though. Without fouling, because we do not want to foul this guy no matter what.
He's been shooting well from the free throw
He
line.
hasn't missed.
Watch Saviero here. He might be the recipient, but there's a lot of time on the Indonesian shot clock, 13.
Look at where Bolick is defending because that's the number 1 rule. Defend the basket. Yung mga backcut yan. Tulad yan, libre sana. Nahuli na si Aram. Natawagan ng foul si Bobby Ray Parks and that's free throw shots.
Anong senyas ng referee? Parang
Foul.
offensive foul.
Offensive foul ba yun?
Ito.
Tingnan natin. No, they called the foul on us. I saw the signal on Bobby
Oo,
Ray.
kaya nga eh. And the lead is down to 6.
We are folding up and that's why that timeout has to be called. Guys are playing too much with the game rather than the game itself.
That's a good point. Well said, Dr. J. 1:13 to go. Timeout taken. Will allow Philippines to huddle up. From a high of 14, it's down to 6. And this the not
Hindi pala ano yun.
on the weights, huh?
Parang ano
It was
na
a
naman.
technical, eh.
Free throw na.
Oo, eh.
Free throw na naman.
Xaviero looking for it. Ball will stay there, though.
That's just a 2-possession game with 1 minute and 13 seconds left.
And keep in mind, the Indonesians have a 3-point shot. Inbound. Xaviero will try to muscle his way again.
Their help has to come.
Yes,
Their help,
he scores.
Their help didn't come.
He has 22.
Yeah, he hasn't scored for a while, but again, we allowed them just to get the ball all the way there. They have made a big comeback. That 12-point lead, 14-point lead is gone. It's only 4 right now. That's a foul.
That's a foul.
And they're not yet in
Just the third.
yeah. Isa pa. Kung hindi natawagan yun, backing pa,
Oh, yun din.
mababacking pa tayo. Pumunta pa yung paa na sa likod. Eh.
Yung timipa ni Bolik dito.
Watch this. O, mapupunta. O yun, na-step. Kung hindi tinawagan ng foul yun, mababaking pa tayo.
Less than a minute.
Give it up. Oops.
Lost. Regained.
Nako, foul si Eram. Take 2 tayo dyan. Take 2 yan. We have not gotten the calls here in the end game. There was a clear push on Bobby Ray Parks and there was no call. And let's see who did they call. Nag-uusap pa nga ito mga ito eh. Pero kasi pumalo rin si Eram after yung foul eh. Mga bata na referee pa. No? It's like I said, they've been doing a good job but all of a sudden, medyo nagpabaya na sila ng tawagan eh.
Lumaylay yung laro eh.
There's the lead referee there. Oh, so the foul is called against them. It will mean free throw shots para sa atin. Kala niya, pumaul si Eram. Dahil nakita ko talaga pumaul si Eram pagkatapos ng foul nila eh.
Ito mas senior ito, no?
Itong crew chief, it's clear that he is the crew chief. They're not yet in the penalty pala. So we do have a fresh 14-second shot clock. And a substitution here.
Lalabas si Ravena.
Matthew Wright is there. Because we might expect them to start fouling in a while. And you want good free throw shooters. Only 30 has missed. But 30 is 3 out of 4 from the free throw line.
Down to the final buzzer here.
Kaya hahawakan ng muna ni Bolik yan. But we only have 10 seconds left on the shot clock.
Bolik starts his drive. Step back 3. No. Ball is in the hands of Indonesia. Moments here. Philippines not yet out of it.
No, not only that. That's unsportsmanlike ang tinawag niya. Free throw siya plus
Plus
possession.
possession. Norman Black is talking to the referees as well.
They'll review that. If that's the correct call. We call that a sportsmanlike foul. You may call a foul. I-review yun. Parang kulang-kulang i-challenge na niya yun.
70-66 with 22 seconds remaining.
Ang tagal natin napako dito. I mean, look at this. He just step back, no place at all, you know. Ball never left his hand. Malonzo's waiting for that pass.
Parang it looked like tinamaan ni Parks, parang hindi rin.
ang masama dyan, sumenyas ka agad ng ano yun eh, ng unsportsmanlike
Si
foul.
Dagne.
Oo.
Nagkabuhol sila sa ilalim. Pero makukuha ng Indonesia yung bola rito eh. Yun o. He's able to escape pa nga. He seems to be falling on his own.
Well, let them make the decision.
Right?
This game going into extension.
Ay, sana pinakita sa atin inalis eh. Inalis eh. So we can see if we call an unsportsmanlike foul tuloy eh. Kasi parang hindi conclusive. So they called an unsportsmanlike foul. Yeah, all of a sudden nag-iba yung tawagan lahat. And you know, kasalanan na rin natin yan, nakabalik sila eh.
We did not manage the clock eh.
And we stopped playing.
Exactly.
We had some easy layups. We're passing the ball yet. Kaya inabot tayo ng mga mintis o mga ano. But anyway, the game is far from over. We're still ahead. He has to make some free throws. And we still have a stop to make. Ito na yung crowd na makikita mo. Magagamit mo yung crowd.
Grahita.
At saka na ano na, out na si Bobby Ray Parks. Kasi ano na, baka foul.
Has always had a good shot from the outside. Grahita with 8 points.
30, by the way, has been put back into the ball game.
Lead is 3. Indonesia will have possession after this.
And look at that comeback that they have made. They're down by 14. We were cruising with 4 minutes to go. And we have stopped scoring. Now we don't need any other bad calls made here against us anymore. Because remember, we've gotten into the penalty early here. And we don't want to foul. We don't want to reach in, just play.
Chaviero receiving. They're thinking 3 here. But they drive. They kick out. They're boxed in. Yagne lost it. Lost it.
Traveling.
Shot
Violation. Yun. Pinapafoul na ng coach nila kasi hindi nakatira. Ang ganda depensa ni Masan, hindi siya kumagat sa fake. Tumay-fake si Dagne pero hindi siya kumagat. Dagne.
At si Jagne, ilalabas niya talaga. Hindi niya ilalabas yun eh. That drive niya eh.
Kasi gusto niya mapunta sa free throw line.
Yep.
Get an easy shot. Was good defense. No? Aram's back there. Yes. So we gotta get the ball either to a Macho right, maybe Bolik, you know, and then 30. Napagay si Aram, magaling na mag-free-throw yun pag kailangan. Ang problema, sino mag-i-inbound para sa atin? This is the crucial thing. Remember here, 7.2, we can throw in from their back, their front court natin. Para medyo malayo. Kung maagaw man nila, malayo. But we have to make a good inbound here and get the ball to the right guy. I would like to get the ball to Matthew. I think he's a pretty good free throw shooter. Dahil wala na si Bobby Ray. And then maybe you look at Bolik. Yan lang mga gusto natin makatanggap yan.
decided everything in this game except
Yeah, of course.
a result.
Oh, time out ulit. Ginamit na lahat ng timeout. Ang hindi nakapaglaro ngayong araw si Justin Chua at si Pre. Pero hindi, semifinals ito eh, para makapasok ka sa finals eh. Meron pa mga tie plugs doon, yung mga tie. 8 o'clock pa game nila, nandiyan na sila.
Dumating na. Manood na tayo ng men's game.
Oh,
Kasi may game pa rin kanina yung yung women's.
nanalo tayo kanina.
Yes.
Good for us, you know. Congrats, Pat Aquino. Nalo tayo over Vietnam ba yun? I think that.
Pat has done a good job with the women's team.
He's always been, he's always known how to take care of them, you know, how to coach them and motivate them.
Galing ng anak ni Bestig na Dicen.
Yeah, we have better players na this year, you know. Casey De La Rosa is good. Yung taga-Enyo na si Mistisa, magaling rin maglaro yun. And of course, we have April still playing, Bernardino, you know, and Poteos.
Si
So
April,
we'll throw in here talagang dito tayo. And we just need a good inbound here. Good screening without offensive foul. Natandaan mo si Terby natawagan na offensive foul kaya nawala yung possession.
Bumawak siya eh.
Sa possession natin use your this is using your head as they say.
Palagay ko decoy si Terdy.
There's Bolik. And they want Bolik to get the ball. Go to the free throw line. Now we can put in another big man for rebounding purposes if we want.
(70-68), 7.3 seconds before we end this game. Miss.
Now we need a big man. We need somebody to rebound. We better put this in. Because we need at least a three-point advantage.
Yeah, there it is.
May timeout pa yata sila and they're going to use it.
71-68, 7.3 remaining.
Well, we still gave them life. If we had put in two, wala nang buhay yun. Mahirap mag-foul dito kasi bigla kang tawagan na unsportsmanlike foul. O ano eh.
Oo eh.
Yeah. You know, you want to foul before the act of shooting pero baka bigla kang tawagan na unsportsmanlike foul. Disgrasya ka pa nun.
What a game. First half, Indonesia was in control. Philippines roaring back in the third and most of the fourth until the last 4 minutes of play.
Yeah, a series of bad decision-making, turnovers,
And then,
and some questionable calls.
and then Indonesia began to hit again.
Thank you.
Well, siyempre, bubuhayan ka ng loob. Dahil you keep on going to the free throw line. Maaga penalty ng
exactly.
Pilipinas. Eh. So, punta ka ng punta sa free throw line. This is what you call, you can see that itong end game na ito, you know, this is the second time around on defense inalis ni Norman si Eram. Because Eram has a tendency to show and sometimes foul eh. And you don't want to do that eh. Here you just want to be able to follow your man and challenge properly. Now, if you give them a layup underneath the basket and they use some clock, you give that to them. That's only 2 points. You're up by 3 eh. The thing you don't want to do is give up a 2 and 1 or a 3-point shot.
And they will most likely foul when you get the ball back.
Yeah, it's okay, di ba? Advantage ka dun eh.
Yeah.
Watch out, he's gonna pop out.
Inbound. Indonesia. Yaksa.
Hand up.
Will they go for a three? They're trying to set that up. The pass. The set up. The shot. No.
Tinawagan ng foul?
No,
Oh,
I
no.
think we are out of time.
Yeah. Ay, kumamay na yung ano. Kala ko tumawag pa ng foul.
I think we are out of time in the Philippines.
That was good defense. They just switched everything.